This is the one pot mushroom and pesto linguine. All you need is 400 grams of linguine, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 200 grams of mushrooms, and that's just sliced, 250 grams of mascarpone cheese, 190 grams of pesto, 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, and half a teaspoon of chili flakes, or you can add in more if you like it a little bit more spicy, as well as some salt and pepper. So pop all of that in, and then on the top there, we're going to add in 1.25 litres of water. So in that all goes. So simply add all of the ingredients into the pot except for the baby spinach. We'll just pop these out of the way for now. And you want to pop that over a medium heat for 8 minutes. Just bring it to the boil and then we'll turn it down. So let's get this on. Now, while that's cooking, let's discuss some of the features and benefits of this amazing cookware. It's made from hard anodized aluminium, which basically means that it's fully integrated into the aluminium, meaning it's not just painted on. This converts the metal into a decorative, durable and corrosion-resistant material. Now, the benefit of this and the reason why this method and metal is perfect for our cookware is because it heats and cools more evenly and more quickly than other types of metal. This is especially good when you're cooking because you spend less time cooking, you use less energy, and you don't get any weird hot spots or burn spots, as I call them, like you do in other pots and pans where some parts cook quicker than others. On top of that, or actually on the bottom of that, the cookware all feature a stainless steel plate that is impact bonded to the bottom, which allows you to use these across a variety of different stovetops, including gas, electric, ceramic, and you can even put them in the oven, as you can see here, because they're etched as pictograms on the base. Now, if that's not enough, add to this the unique Eterna coating. This non-stick coating has been tested and found to be 26 times better than today's best known non-stick brand. In simple terms, the Eterna coating means that it's easy to clean. You can use less oils, which supports healthier cooking because you don't have to create a non-stick environment with excess oils. The 4.1 and the 2.1 litre also come with a strong tempered glass cover, which can obviously be used when cooking on the stovetop, but can also be used in the oven. And finally, the handles. These handles have been ergonomically designed and feature a thumb stop, which indicates the handle's cool area where it is safe to hold. This is because they are cast hollow, which means when they are on the stovetop, the saucepan heats up, but the handle doesn't. Just remember, if you do use them in the oven, to ensure you use our oven mitts to remove them, because of course the handles will heat up in the oven. Now, thanks to the wonders of modern technology, our pasta is done, and all we have to do is add in our baby spinach. Add it in, give it a stir and allow it to stand for a further 5 minutes, and then it's ready to serve with some Parmesan cheese and you can enjoy it.